One of the things that you're more at risk for outdoors is pests. They're all over the place. It's a whole different battlefield. What do you typically do to prevent pests?
I want to laugh at prevent. I have learned I have learned to be more proactive than reactive, especially outside. And Oklahoma has literally every pest you could possibly think of. So last year I wasn't really great at preventing. I was more reactive, and I would spray. Last year I tried out Crop Defender by Petra Tools, and it did okay. It was really light application, and it seemed to do like the trick, but the thing with that is like you really had to keep applying that to notice a difference. And something that I would really like to advocate is like make sure that your soils are extremely healthy and your plants are extremely healthy when you're growing outside. That's going to give them the best chance at survival to use their natural defenses. But something that I will be utilizing this year is like with companion planting. So like there's tons of plants like rosemary and mint are really at the top of my list because they'll actually just deter and repel pests. They don't like the smell. It's too stinky. And lavender is also in that category. And then you also have like companion plants like marigolds, and they'll actually like lure in the pests and keep them, well, maybe probably not all of them, but keep them more interested in them versus the medicinal plants. And I think that is just so wonderful. And we get to avoid spraying anything on our crops, but especially when we get into flower, that's always been extremely scary to me. Like, I don't want to spray anything on them. And then you run into boitress and chemicals that you could potentially be inhaling. And like, we don't want that. We don't want that outside at all. So I think utilizing companion plants will be my best route this year, for sure.
This clip is brought to you by AC Infinity. Use discount code MrGrow at 15 to save on any of their products.